Hi, Lisa here from Active Domestics. If you're like me and you like watching videos about how to be a better business person and things like that, then you've probably heard the term outsourcing. Well, that's something I'm trying to come to terms with and get a better balance in my life because I really don't feel like I get between my four kids, my husband, and my business. I don't actually have a lot of time left in any particular day. I feel like I never get days off, and so I just have to enjoy the little moments where I capture them, and I do. I do. Um, but anyway, what I've discovered, because actually, despite me having had a cleaning business for over 12 years now, I actually barely ever got a cleaner here myself, except if I was training someone or things like that, or assessing someone's abilities. So, what I've done lately that I haven't done in the past is more regularly have a cleaner come. Now, in my business, I have a lot of people that have weekly cleans or fortnightly cleans, but also have a growing number of clients that have a clean every 4 weeks. And that's actually really good because if you're probably like me, you're really busy, you've only got time to give the bathroom a really quick scrub, and I do that again and again, and I watch as things build up, and I just feel quite ashamed given the fact that I have a cleaning business. But just by having someone come in and then I say, look, I want you to spend a solid half an hour to 45 minutes on this bathroom and just really give it a total thorough scrub, and just get into places that I otherwise don't normally get time to. When I've got a large house, sometimes I might get to vacuum, but I don't get to mop on the same day. Or I'll only do upstairs and not downstairs. Or I only get one bathroom done and the other two aren't. So just by occasionally having the house cleaned, by outsourcing to a cleaner, for example, in my business, we charge $140 for a 4-hour clean. Now, that price includes GST, and it includes a cleaner that I provide receipts, of course, and my cleaners are covered under my third-party liability insurance. So it's just a good place to start for outsourcing, and so that's my tip for today. Have a great one. See you later.